Hey superstars, it's Magi Helena. I'm an internationally syndicated columnist, an astrology pioneer and inventor, and I am so excited. I am announcing my first big new drop since 2016. It's official. You can now get best and worst days in advance. Timing impacts outcomes for real, and you can easily use this knowledge to uplevel your life. What are best and worst days? Best and worst days are the best days and the worst days in a given month. Best days are days with the strongest odds of best outcomes. Worst days are days with the strongest odds of worst outcomes. It's really that simple. Best and worst days let you put the odds in your favor, and who doesn't want better odds? My new Best and Worst Days Advance Calendars are a monthly calendar that shows the exact level of positive energy versus negative energy in each day. They apply to everyone, and they apply to everything, from a major event, purchase, initiative, or launch, to small but important things like salon visits, car repair, or just calling for tech support. Your timing really does affect your outcomes. Best and worst days let you pick your timing in advance. You can always get free best and worst days for the current and the upcoming month on my website, but now you can also get best and worst days in advance for the rest of 2023 and all of 24 via instant download. Daytime best hours shift significantly in different time zones, and now whether you're planning travel, a reunion, a big event, looking ahead for important testing or submissions, you'll be able to get the best and worst days ahead of time and make your plans accordingly. Things you do on better days just work out better. Problems are minimized and benefits maximized. Better days are better travel days too. Here's what you'll get. The month's calendar, with days broken into 5 categories: best, second best, neutral, second worst, and worst. The actual numerical scores for the highest and lowest scoring days of the month, plus the average daily score. This helps you make apples to apples comparisons between months. A short write-up of the month with some timely advice. The actual graph of the month's daily scores, so you can see exactly how the month flows day by day. And info on what my best and worst days algorithm actually includes. You can get best worst days by the quarter year or save with a full year. They are available in these 4 standard regional time zones. If you need something specific, I will offer other time zones by custom order. So here is your juicy coupon for 2 days only. Get my biggest discount ever offered. 50% off my new Best Worst Days Advance Calendars for instant download. See the link and the coupon in the text below. Timing really is everything. Get intentional and get results. May all your highest and most beautiful dreams come true.